This, my friends, is an orange. When you squeeze it, what comes out? Orange juice, right? Why does it come out? Because that's what's inside. This is you. When life squeezes you, people poke you, say things you don't like, and what comes out of you is anger, hatred, revenge, depression. Immediately we say, they made me feel that way. It's because of them I feel this. But just like this orange, these feelings came out of us because they were already inside. So if you want to change your life, if you don't want to feel the revenge, the depression, the anger and hatred, then you've got to look inside. So that when life does squeeze you, the only thing that comes out is understanding and love. Peace.